Hi, welcome to Chemistry Online. In previous class, the chapter is over. That is a new chapter we are going to start in this class. That is chemical equilibrium acids bases, which carries 6 marks. In previous class, we discussed about thermodynamics. The chapter is over. Now, in this class, we are going to discuss one more new chapter that is called chemical equilibrium acids and bases, which carries 6 marks. So first we are going to discuss about a chemical equilibrium. First we are going to discuss about a chemical equilibrium, then acids and bases. Chemical equilibrium, it is carries 4 plus 2 marks, 6 marks. In this chapter, 2 topics are there, 2 chapters are there. In this chapter, 2 chapters are there. Equilibrium is 1 chapter, acids and bases 1 chapter. Combinedly, you are going to get 6 marks from this chapter according to previous blueprint. So here, one short answer and one very short answer will come. So in this chapter, we have to read short answer and very short answer compulsory. So first, we are going to discuss chemical equilibrium. After that, acids and bases. So you have to know here what is equilibrium. What is equilibrium? We are going to discuss. So here I am taking a vessel. It is a vessel which is closed. In this vessel I am taking liquid. It is a liquid, okay. It is the surface of the liquid. It is the surface of liquid. It is the surface of a liquid. Surface of liquid. So, surface of the liquid particles having high kinetic energy can be converted into vapor. Surface of the liquid particles having high kinetic energy can be converted into vapor. It is vapor. It is a vapor. The process of converting surface liquid particles into vapor is called vaporization. Is called vaporization. So this is the way. It is called vaporization. So in the vapor, some vapor particles having low kinetic energy, again they converts into liquid, that is called condensation. See here, that is a different. Here the number of liquid particles can be converted into vapor in 1 second. The number of liquid particles can be converted into vapor in 1 second is called rate of vaporization. That is called rate of vaporization. That is R V. Okay. Again, some gases having low kinetic energy can be converted into liquid. Some gases having low kinetic energy can be converted into liquid is called condensation. Is called condensation. So here the number of gas particles can be converted into liquid in 1 second is called rate of condensation, is called rate of condensation. Okay, it is RC. At a particular point, rate of condensation is equal to rate of vaporization. C. At a point, rate of vaporization is equal to rate of condensation is called equilibrium state. Equilibrium state is called equilibrium state. Okay, at equilibrium the mixture of reactants and products are called equilibrium mixture. So it is denoted by equilibrium. Equilibrium is denoted by two half-headed arrows. Two half-headed arrows. Okay. See here, example, H2O liquid, it is a rate of vaporization, it is rate of condensation. H2O gas. Okay, these are reactants, these are reactants and these are products. These are products. So it is forward reaction. Liquid can be converted into gas is nothing but forward reaction. Gas can be converted into liquid is nothing but rate of backward reaction. This is denoted by arrow, two half-headed arrows. It is a example of equilibrium. If the so here at equilibrium the mixture of reactants and products is called equilibrium mixture. At equilibrium the mixture of reactants and products reactants and products is called equilibrium mixture. Equilibrium mixture. Equilibrium mixture. Okay. So here you have to know dynamic equilibrium. Next you have to know dynamic equilibrium. Dynamic equilibrium is the state at which rate of forward reaction and rate of backward reaction is equal and the composition is no change in their composition of equilibrium mixture is called dynamic equilibrium. See here, dynamic equilibrium is the state which the rate of forward reaction is equal to rate of backward reaction and no change in the composition of equilibrium mixture and no change in the composition of mixture. No change in the composition of equilibrium mixture. No change in the composition of equilibrium mixture. No change in the composition of equilibrium mixture is called dynamic equilibrium. Okay, so this is equilibrium example and dynamic equilibrium. Now we are going to discuss types of equilibria. How many types of equilibria we have? We are going to discuss types of equilibria. See, how many types of equilibria we have means two types. It is two types. The first one is homogeneous equilibrium. Homogeneous equilibrium. And second one is heterogeneous equilibria. Homogeneous equilibrium and heterogeneous equilibrium. These are two types we are going to discuss. Understand? So first of all, you know what is chemical equilibrium means. The rate of condensation, the rate of evaporation is equal to rate of condensation in a reaction. That particular point is nothing but a equilibrium. So the mixture of reactants and products at equilibrium is called a equilibrium mixture. So it can be denoted by two half-headed arrows. Half-head arrows. So here example, H2O liquid can be converted into gas is nothing but forward reaction, that is rate of evaporation. H2O gas can be converted into liquid, that is a backward reaction, that is nothing but a rate of condensation. Okay, see here dynamic equilibrium. At equilibrium, the mixture of reactants and products is called equilibrium mixture. So dynamic equilibrium, after reaching equilibrium, there is no change in their composition of the reactants and products are called dynamic equilibrium. Okay, so how many types of equilibrium means two types, homogeneous equilibrium and heterogeneous equilibrium. See here, next homogeneous equilibrium. What is homogeneous equilibrium means? The physical state of the reactants and products at equilibrium state is the same. At equilibrium state, the physical state of the reactants and products are same, then it is said to be homogeneous equilibrium. Okay, see, at equilibrium, at equilibrium, the physical state of reactants and products are same is called homogeneous equilibria. Homogeneous equilibria. So example, N2 gas plus 3H2 gas gives rise to 2NH3 gas. So these are reactants and these are products. So reactants are in gaseous phase and products are in gaseous phase. So both are in gaseous state. Products are in same. See, the equilibrium physical state of reactants and products are in same is homogeneous equilibria. So here it is a gaseous state. State is equal to gaseous state. So it is example. Next, one more example we may take. SO2 gas plus O2 gas gives rise to SO3 gas. If you take 2, it is a 2SO2 plus O2. 2 to the 4 plus 2, 6, 2 3 is 6. It is a, so here phase gas, phase equal to gas. Okay, these are reactants and products. It is nothing but a homogeneous equilibrium. Next, we have to know heterogeneous equilibrium. Heterogeneous equilibrium. Heterogeneous equilibrium means at equilibrium, the physical state of reactants and products are in different state is heterogeneous equilibrium. Homogeneous equilibrium. Heterogeneous equilibrium. At equilibrium, the physical state of the reactants and products are in different state. Is nothing but a heterogeneous equilibrium. For example, calcium carbonate, CaCO3 solid gives rise to CaO solid plus CO2 gas. Here reactants are in solid phase, products are in gaseous phase. So different. So one more example, Ni solid plus 4CO gas carbon monoxide gives rise to NiCO taken for gas. So here it is a solid, it is a gaseous phase. So here phase is a different. Here phase gaseous, gases same. Here phase is a different phase. Phase different. Okay. It is very important for 2 marks or 4 marks. See here, it is also very important for 2 marks. Okay. See here, types of equilibria means it is a types of equilibria, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Homogeneous means homo means a same, hetero means a different. What is the same, what is a different? States are different. What states? Physical states. Physical states of same is homogeneous, physical state is different is heterogeneous. What? Reactants and products. Reactants and products. Okay. See, next you have to know equilibrium constant. Next you have to know equilibrium constant. What is equilibrium constant means? See here, equilibrium constant Kc. See, equilibrium constant at concentration is nothing but a Kc. Equilibrium constant at pressure is nothing but a Kp. The relation between Kc and Kp is nothing but a Kp equal to Kc into RT to the power of delta n. We are going to discuss. So what is Kc means? For example, A small a, B capital B, double gives rise to small c capital C, small d capital D. It is a reversible reaction which is at equilibrium state. Then Kc is equal to C concentration C into D capital D concentration small d by capital A concentration A and capital B concentration B is called Kc. What I mean to say, the ratio of product multiplication, product means multiplication of products, and the ratio of, see here, the ratio of product of products, the ratio of product of products and the product of reactants at equilibrium state, at equilibrium, the ratio of product of products and the product of reactants concentration or product of reactants coefficients, the ratio of product of products coefficients and the product of reactants coefficients is called products coefficients and the product of reactants coefficients is called equilibrium constant Kc. Equilibrium constant Kc. So Kc is denoted by, so these are products. These are products. Okay. So these are reactants. The ratio of, it is the ratio of product of products means multiplication. This product means multiplication of products coefficients. So this is into. So here into. Next, and the products of, and the product means again multiplication, product of reactants coefficients. So what is the coefficient of A? Small a. What is the coefficient of B? Small b. What is the coefficient of C? Small c. Like this. It is nothing but equilibrium constant Kc. Equilibrium constant Kc. We are going to discuss how to calculate Kc in the next class. Okay. So this is today's class.